What if the future of American homes isn't bigger, but quieter? Across the world, a subtle shift is happening, away from status-driven houses and toward spaces designed for the human mind. Scandinavian, Parisian homes are not built to impress guests, but to restore the people who live inside them. This is a home shaped by light, proportion, and emotional balance, where architecture becomes a form of mental care. And once you see it, it's hard to unsee. At first glance, this house doesn't demand attention, it invites calm. The Scandinavian, Parisian exterior reflects a cultural shift in America, from visual dominance to emotional grounding. Clean Nordic lines create order, while Parisian warmth softens the structure through natural stone, oak accents, and tall windows. There's no excess, no statement of wealth, only quiet confidence. The facade feels human in scale, intentionally designed to reduce visual noise and welcome the nervous system home. This is architecture that doesn't shout success, it whispers stability. The living room becomes the emotional heart of the home. Designed around mental health rather than entertainment, it prioritizes softness, daylight, and breathing space. Low seating encourages grounding, linen textures absorb sound, and warm oak floors add psychological warmth. Large windows diffuse light gently, avoiding harsh contrasts that fatigue the mind. There is intention in every object, and silence in every corner. This room doesn't ask you to perform, it allows you to exist. A subtle lesson emerges here: comfort is the new luxury. This bedroom is designed as a sanctuary, not a showroom. Scandinavian restraint meets Parisian intimacy through muted tones, natural fabrics, and soft indirect lighting. The low bed lowers the body's stress response, while tall windows maintain a connection to daylight and circadian rhythm. Nothing here distracts the mind, everything supports rest. In a culture that glorifies productivity, this room quietly rebels, proving that restoration is a form of power. The kitchen reflects slow living at its most practical. Nordic minimal cabinetry keeps the space visually calm, while Parisian stone surfaces bring tactile richness. Open shelves encourage intentional ownership, only what is used, only what matters. Light moves freely across the room, supporting mindful cooking rather than rushed consumption. This is not a kitchen built for spectacle, but for rhythm: coffee brewed slowly, meals prepared with presence. Architecture here supports habits, not appearances. The mezzanine introduces vertical calm. Overlooking the living area, it offers psychological distance without isolation, a place to read, think, or simply pause. Scandinavian openness meets the Parisian love for layered spaces. Light from above softens the entire home, reinforcing a sense of flow rather than separation. This space reflects a growing American need: moments of solitude without disconnection. The bathroom transforms routine into ritual. Natural stone, lime plaster, and warm lighting create a spa-like atmosphere that slows the body down. Scandinavian simplicity removes clutter, while Parisian elegance adds sensual texture. This is a space designed to regulate stress, not rush it away. Water, light, and silence work together, turning daily hygiene into mental reset. The front yard feels more like a European courtyard than a traditional American lawn. Wild grasses, stone paths, and restrained greenery replace performative landscaping. This space softens the transition between public and private life, signaling safety before entry. It reflects a new priority: privacy over display. The rooftop becomes an elevated refuge. Wooden decking and soft seating create a quiet escape above daily noise. Inspired by European city living, this space encourages reflection rather than entertainment. As the sky shifts, the house breathes with it, reminding us that mental space often requires physical elevation. This working room redefines productivity. Designed for clarity rather than pressure, it uses natural light, minimal furniture, and warm materials to support sustained focus. Scandinavian efficiency meets Parisian calm, proving that workspaces don't need aggression to be effective. Here, thinking replaces rushing. The backyard is a private extension of the home's philosophy. Stone, wood, and greenery form a quiet landscape for evenings and reflection. There's no spectacle, only presence. This is where slow living becomes tangible, grounding the mind through nature and silence. Scandinavian, Parisian homes represent more than a design trend, they signal a cultural reset. As America rethinks success, these spaces prioritize mental health, emotional safety, and human rhythm. In a loud world, this architecture chooses calm. And perhaps that's not a luxury anymore, but a necessity.